Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to do a simple cute makeup look just for the day to get ready. So stay tuned and let's play makeup. Starting off with the brows, I'm using the Anastasia Brow Freeze to lay them down. Locking them in with the L'Oreal Mercier translucent powder. Filling your brows. Get a concealer 2 shades lighter than your skin tone for that highlight effect to clean up underneath your brows. Get a foundation of your choosing to clean up the top of your brows. That way it blends in seamlessly. The top of your brows looks natural, while the bottom of your brows has a nice highlight. Using MAC Paint Pot and Soft Ochre to prime the eyes. Applying tape to create that lifted eye effect. Going into the Makeup Revolution palette, starting with the shade Leaf. Going into the Danessa Myricks Lightwork Volume 5 palette. Going into the shade Braid. Going back into the shade Leaf to merge the 2 shades together. Using the Absolute New York Blackout liner to line my eyes. Using my favorite 2 concealers to color correct. Blending in with the damp beauty blender. Setting with powder to lock in the concealers. Using Tart Shape Tape for my highlight and Hourglass Vanish Stick for my contour. Setting my face with a MAC Fix Plus to lock everything in. I'm going to apply the Too Faced Born This Way concealer for a brighter highlight just for my inner corner. Going back in with the Hourglass foundation stick, I'm going to create my nose contour. I'm going to apply foundation over everything to seal it all in. Applying my NARS blush in Brazen. Using a foundation brush to blend in those edges. Using a L'Oreal Mercier powder to set my highlighted areas. Applying NARS bronzer. Using the Anastasia Blush Trio Going back into the eyes, I'm going to use this single eyeshadow. It's from Colored Rain. It's in the shade Angel Face. Don't even know if this shade is even in stock anymore. For my waterline, I'm going to go into the LA Girl Shockwave Neon Lip Liner Pencil in the shade Blaze. I'm going to apply my NYX pencil in Milk and then apply the neon so it pops. Going into the ABH Norvina Volume 2 palette, I'm going into the shade C2. It's a light blue with reflex in it. I'm going to use my MAC foundation powder in NC42 to blend out the edges of the blue. Then I'm going to go back and reapply a little bit of the blue just to build up the pigmentation. For my inner corner, I'm going to apply a white eyeshadow. I'm just going back into the KVD Metal Matte palette. I'm going to use MAC NC45 to set my face and NC42 to set my highlighted areas. For my mascara, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Voluminous primer. Then I'm going on top of that with the Revolution 5D Whip Lift. Using the MAC Extended Play Gigablack for my lower lashes. To darken up my lower eyelashes, I'm going to apply the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black just to make it darker, and I applied lashes. Since the eyes are the star of the show, I'm going to keep the lips very neutral. I'm going to use MAC Lip Liner in Cork. Just using a little foundation to clean up my lip liner. And I'm going to use the Milani Lip Gloss in Luminoso, number 04. And I'm rubbing my lips together to blend in a lip liner so it melts into the lip gloss. Go ahead and set my face with a MAC Fix Plus setting spray. And I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray to give it a nice little dewy look. And guys, that is it for this look. If you do like this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up and stay tuned for the next video. Bye!